Alhamdulillah lah, I've been blessed with good clients who appreciate me having the kids along. Then macam jadi family friend, jemput apa-apa, then suruh bawa anak-anak. Yeah, so I enjoy because I get to have the time with them, which was why I changed a career from teaching to real estate. Things like this, I don't think I can ever find elsewhere. Maybe I do not know the other side. There's no such thing as the other side is always the other grass is greener. Is it?
The grass is greener on the other side.
Kita tak akan tahu what's on the other side if we never try to explore. Yeah, so I explored. I took the calculated risk, and I think I'm enjoying. Although I miss teaching, I do miss teaching, but yeah. I'm enjoying the fact that I can have my kids along. I don't have to feel guilty kalau diorang sakit. I don't need to apply leave. Oh my God, talking about leave, it was so difficult to even get my leave back then. Although it was your privilege. It's not privilege.
Entitlement.
Your entitlement. It was so difficult.